What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole. Boo. Who else would it be? How y'all feeling, baby? I am feeling great. Today, we're going to have a quick unboxing for that ass, boo. We're doing Glossybox for the month of July. Yes. So if you guys want to see what's in this glossy box, y'all know what to do, baby. Stay right there. Please don't move. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves. So I'm Tonyanicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome. I am so happy you pressed that button to check your girl out. Now, I'm sure y'all seen this glossy box unboxed already for July, but you know, your girl got to come through with the come through. That's the only way y'all gonna know if it's good or not. I'm a handful, y'all. I know. So anyway, guys, before we go any further, let's shout out our 5 first commenters from my last video. I love you all for rocking with your girl. I swear. I love my consistent bomb-ass subscribers. Y'all are so amazing. Amazing. And I have a drink today. I got a little vodka. A dance break. Drink break. Whew. That almost killed me. All right, so let's get some specs on Glossybox. This will be a short one, guys, because I told you I'm trying to pump these out so that I can go on vacation. I'll still have content for you all. Please check out my past videos as well as my vlogs. I just started vlogging, so, you know, go a little easy on your girl because I'm trying to get comfortable with that side, because I think that my life for the most part is boring, but sometimes I have some really funny, amazing things that happen and I want you guys to see. So make sure y'all check out the vlogs and let me know what you think. All right, loves, let's just get this box on and popping, babe. Let's get some specs. First of all, look at the box. It is gorgeous. It's like a C-type treasure theme. So this is Glossybox. I think Glossybox is $21 per month. I'm going to correct it down here if that is not the case. You're supposed to get like 5 or 6 deluxe sample full-size products in here. And I do have a link down below. And if you sign up using my link, you will get your first box for $1 if you sign up for the 12-month subscription. So check it out if you want to. If not, just watch me unbox them, boo. Yes. So that's it, I think. Yeah, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. All right, so when we open her up, it snaps like that, cute. Like this. This is what the inside is looking like. We do get a little brochure each month with this beautiful melanin sister. I love it. And all of the products are in the inside. Oh, this is a refer friend. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all that just in case y'all want to screenshot it and use it. Absolutely. I'm definitely feeling this yellow paper this month. Beautiful. All right, let's open it. Let's tear into it, baby. I'm just gonna go according to the brochure so we can move a little quickly. So first thing up I see is, there was supposed to have a product in here from Cleo Noir, which would have been a full-size eyeshadow duo. It's this right here, guys. It would have been that right there. But they were having some issues getting it in the box. So they replaced all of those products with this right here from Ciate. And this is the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Glow 2. Oh, instead of Go 2 is Glow 2. Glow 2 and a Glow 2. Hey, Go 2 and a Glow 2. I'm sorry. I'm not, but I am. Okay. So I don't have any specs on this little product, but this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to be like a highlighter blush in one. So you could get 2 in 1. So let's see. Alrighty. That's what it looks like, loves. Beautiful. Let's watch it. Ooh, wait, it feels like, oh, I don't know. Oh, look at that. Now that is a little light for your girl. I know I cannot wear that. So I'll probably be passing this along to one of my lighter skinned cousins or someone that can use it. But yeah, so it has some little illuminating specs in there. I do like that. So okay, this is the first product from Ciate London. Next up, we have a pair of brushes. And this is from Elena Badro. So this is This is the Divine Duo set. It's a beautiful sea green set that includes an angled brush and a blending brush. And this retails for $34, guys. This is a full-size duo. Love it. I love that the brushes do match kind of like the theme. Y'all see that? Gorgeous. And here's your angled brush here. And then your blending brush. I love them. They're nice and soft. Y'all know I always love brushes, so yeah. Next up, we have from Perlice, and this is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. This is a full-size product. It retails for $6, and it says the sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. So this is formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, redness, and irritation. $6. I love Perlice. I love sheet mask. So when I'm laid out, you know, on my bed, somewhere on the floor, wherever, I could just throw this on my face and call it a day. Yeah. Oh, I know y'all probably noticed the nails, girl. Oh, I'm giving my nails a little break for the time being until I go on vacation. It'll make me like 3 sets for vacation, but girl, they're so brittle, so I had to give them a break. So y'all don't look at that, no, please, please don't. Next up, we have from Verso, and this is an eye cream. This is the deluxe size right here. This says, this rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple. I love that word, supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. Wow, that was a lot to say. This right here is the deluxe mini size, guys, and the full size retails for $60. This size right here would be $7. I'm sorry, $21. Oh my God, it's so little. But it's an eye cream, so you don't need that much. But still, I don't feel like they have a lot in there. Okay. $21 for a sample? Y'all know I'm not doing that. No, ma'am. Alrighty, and last up we have from Batiste, and this is a volumizing dry shampoo. It says removes oil to give your hair show-stopping volume with collagen, and I do love dry shampoo now because since I've been working out, my natural hair is sweaty and I can't wash my hair every day. So I'll spray some of this to kind of keep it a little clean in between workouts and washes. Put some oomph back in your head. Well, it says locks. With this dry shampoo that's great when you're on the go and need a quick refresh. It's made with collagen complex. The clean formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. Okay, let's spray it. Ooh. Oh my. Oh, it smells divine. Oh my God, it smells so good. You get 1.6 in here. This is the travel size. Full size is $3.99. And I am loving that scent. Wonderful. Okay. All right, guys. So that was our final product. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be... So we received from Ciate London this Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. From Batiste, this dry shampoo. From Verso, this eye cream. Perlice, this face mask. And from Ilana Badro, these 2 brushes. So these 5 products right here, my loves. So my final thoughts on this month's Glossybox was I actually thought that it was a pretty decent box. Y'all know they don't really give you a lot of makeup in this box either, but I am happy that they gave a little illuminizing blush. I love sheet mask. Eye cream, y'all know I could do it out, but I have tons of it. And I've started using it on my neck and around my mouth. So that comes in handy. Dry shampoo, since I always need it now. I'm a fan of that. And I love brushes. So I thought it was pretty decent for this month. I would give it probably like a solid 2.75 to 3 for this month. What y'all think? I think that's reasonable. Let me know down below in the comments, my loves, what you thought about this box, what you would rate my box for sure. And if you get Glossybox, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are down below. And thumbs up. That's it. Yeah. So that's all I have, loves. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Quick little reminder, loves, please wear your mask. Y'all, the COVID positives that I've been seeing lately is getting kind of scary. So if I'm swabbing 30 people a day, at least 19 to 20 are positive. So y'all, please wear your masks. Please protect yourselves and your family. So all right, loves, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later.